Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Now listen, children. Listen. Yesterday I will explain the new chapter addition and subtraction. Already you have to completed exercise 2.2 itself. Now you started in the exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.1 is addition. 2.2 is a sum problem. What sum problem you have to do. Now the exercise 2.3, find the difference. Meaning of difference is subtraction. Okay, another name for subtraction. Listen, already you know very well subtraction. Now going to the first sum. Always you subtract from large number to smaller number. So what is here? 8 is the largest number, 6 is the smallest number. So you can easy to subtract. How to give the value of 8 minus 6? Tell me, children. 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Before 8, count it, children, before numbers. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is your answer? 2. So 8 minus 6 is, you have to 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Then listen, move on to the next column. Here 5, here 3. So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 what? 2. So this second column also 2. Whenever you want to do the subtraction, you have to, before counting you have to do. Here 8 minus 8, both are same number, mean in subtraction you have get a value 0. Same number you have to subtract, you get the value 0. So 8 minus 8, you get what? 0. Then what is here? 4. Then down there is no digits here, so you want to write the 4 as it is in your answer. So what do you get the answer? 4022. This is your answer. Okay, children. Find the difference mean you have to subtract. Subtract. How do you subtract? You count it in a before number. That how do you have to subtract the value. Always you subtract greater number to the smaller number. Okay, children. Now come to the second sum. 6 minus 6. Both are same number. In same number you have to subtract mean what you get? You get 0. So 6 minus 6 you have to, your answer is 0. Then 4 minus 0. In 4 any number minus 0 you get the number itself. Same number you have to get the answer of that. So 4 minus 0 4. 5 minus 0 5. Any number subtract with 0 you get the number itself. So 4 minus 0 what you get? Here 4. So 4 minus 0 4. Are you okay? Then move on to the next column. Here 5, in down 1. So 5 is the greater. So 5 minus 1, you have to, before counting, 5 minus 1 what? 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Then move on to the next column. Here 5, in down 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2, 3. So you get the value 3. Are you okay, children? Now you get the answer 3440. This is your answer of the second sum. Then move on to the third sum. Listen, in the third sum, in first number 6, in down 8. So 6 is the smaller than the 8. So you can't able to subtract from smaller number to the greater number. So what you do? You want to borrow to the next column. So here what is here? 2. So you want to borrow 1. This 6 will be 16. This is 6 will be 16. Okay, this 2 is, you give one borrow, you give to one number, so you have to minus 2 minus 1, 1 here. So listen children, here 16 in down 8. 16 minus 8, you tell the before counting children, 16 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Before 16 you have to count it. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So very good children, 8 is your answer. So you have to write 8 here. You have to write 8. Okay. Then again move on to the next column. Here 1, here 3. 3 is greater, 1 is smaller. So you can't able to separate this column children. So you move on to the next column. You have to borrow one number. So this 5, give one borrow to this number. This 1 is come to the 11. So here 5 minus 1, what do you hear? 4. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Now this 11 minus 3. Always I tell you no. 11 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Before 11 what? 10, 9, 8. So 11 minus 3. What do you get? You get 8. Okay. Now here 4, here 8. This is also you can't able to separate 4 minus 8. So you have to borrow 1 from next column. Here 14. This 3, you got 2. Okay. This 14 minus 8. 14 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Before 14, tell the children before 14 you count it. What do you get got your answer? 14 minus 8, 6. Very good. Your answer is correct children. Now you get a 6 here. So 14 minus 8, 6. Are you okay? Now 2, here 1. So 2 is a greater number. So you can able to separate. So 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Are you okay children? Now move on to the next sum. Here what number is 4? Here 2. So 4 is a greater number. So okay, 4 minus 2 what? The same. Every sum you have to separate it. When you give the before counting you have to do, you get the answer. So 4 minus 2 what? 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Then here 7, here 4. So 7 minus 4, anyone tell the answer? 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Here 5 minus 5. Both are same number. Same number mean what you want? Same number you have to separate. You got 0. Same number you have to separate mean 0. You get the answer 0. Here 7, here 6. 7 minus 6 what? Tell me 7 minus 6? 1. So your answer 1. Here 9, there is no number in the down. So you write the 9 as it is in your answer column. Are you okay? 91,032. This is your answer for this sum children. Now move on to the next sum. Listen 4, here 5. So you can't able to 4 minus 5. So what you do? You have to borrow in your next column. This 4 is 14. This 4 will be 14. Okay. So you give one borrow to the next column. This 6 will be come on 5. Okay, this 14 minus 5. Tell the before counting children. 14 minus 5, you get 9. 14 minus 5, 9. Then here 5, here 6. So 5 is a smaller number. So you can't able to subtract the greater number. So you have to again one borrow from next column. This 5 will be 15. This 6 as a 5. Okay, now 15 minus 6 what? 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 6, 9. Here 5, in down 0. 5 minus 0, any number you have to subtract with a 0. You answer the same number itself. So you get 5 here. 5 minus 0, 5. Come to the next column here 4, 4. 4, 4 means same number. Same number you have to subtract. What your answer? 0. Same number you have to subtract. You get 0. Then 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Okay children. The sixth sum is a homework. The sixth sum is homework. Sixth sum will be a homework. Okay children. Now move on to the next Roman. What is here? Fill in the blanks. What is here? Fill in the blanks. Look at the question. 14,560 minus here one dash. So you get the answer 14,559. In what number you want to come in this fill in the blanks? Tell me. How you get this answer? You have minus 1. You have minus 1. You get the answer. 14,560 minus 1. You get 14,559. Are you okay? Now listen. Move on to the next sum. Here what? 10,000. This is 1,000. 10,000. 1,000. You want to separate 10,000 minus 1,000. I put the sum to here. 10,000. Then you have to subtract 1,000. 10,000 from 1,000. 0. Always you write the numbers in the right to the left only. Not in the left to right. Always you have to write to the left. You are starting in the ones place also. Write the ones place. Then follow up the tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place. Doing like that only you have to write the numbers. Okay. Now you have to subtract. 0 minus 0, you get 0. Then again 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0, here 1. So you can't able to subtract 0 minus 1. So you have to borrow from the next column 10. This 10 minus 1, what you get? 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. So your answer is 9,000. 10,000 minus 1,000, 9,000. This subtraction, do it in your rough column in the second sum, near the second sum. Okay, 9,000. This is your answer. Next, move on to the third sum. The predecessor of 9,999. Predecessor means what children? Before number. Predecessor means before number. So 9,999 before number what? 9,998. Okay. 9,998. Are you okay? How do you get this predecessor? Minus 1. So what is the given number? You have to minus 1. You get the before number, that is predecessor. You get the predecessor. Okay children, now move on to the fourth sum. Dash minus 0 equal to 57,786. So here answer is here. So in your question 0. So any number subtract in 0, you get the same number. So what is the answer in this dash? The same. What is the answer? That is the question. Okay. 57,000 57,786. Are you okay children? This is the answer of the sum. Okay. Are you okay children? Thank you. See you tomorrow.